The Aussie dollar has jumped above 68 US cents, which is the strongest it's been in more than a year, partly because the chances of an interest rate hike are going up. And that's after the latest ABS figures showed the unemployment rate making a surprise drop to 4.1%, 65,000 people starting new jobs, and the number of people unemployed falling by 30,000 last month. A stronger jobs market means more people earning and spending, and potentially driving up inflation, as the conventional thinking goes. So according to markets, that's why the odds of a rate hike have risen above 50% for the Reserve Bank's next meeting in February. And it's seen as certain to happen by May. But do keep in mind, markets often get it wrong. So the last thing the RBA wants is to be seen as erratic, especially if it were to cut rates, then increase them too quickly. So there's a good chance the bank might actually stay on hold for a while. Speaking of erratic, there was a meltdown on Wall Street yesterday when it looked like Donald Trump was keen to take over Greenland without consent. But now the US president says an invasion and tariffs against Europe are off the table because they've reached some sort of vague framework of a future deal. So it went from sell America to the taco trade very quickly. And taco stands for Trump always chickens out. Now that boosted markets in the US and Japan, while it was a mixed bag in other places. The ASX, meanwhile, went up by 0.75%, with gains in every sector except gold mining, especially after the gold price fell from its record high. And finally, the Aussie dollar isn't doing just well against the US, but also Japan. At almost 108 yen, it's getting pretty close to a record high. And that's finance.